The school trains in Montreal. I'm just walking up the street parallel to the Lachine spur here that goes up to Ardent Mills, and this was parked here on that little siding next to the track. It's a maintenance vehicle. I forget exactly what this is called. Here you can see it's got a few wheels there. I think it's for ballast or something. And it's kind of cool, just sitting here, just waiting to be used at some point. Yeah, I think it removes and replaces ties, this machine. It's kind of what it looks like. It's owned by CN 65646. It's a Tamper. Very interesting to see maintenance of way vehicles just kind of sitting here. So you know that they're going to be doing maintenance on the main line at some point, probably. Maybe on the Ardent Mills branch as well. Anyways, it's pretty rare to be able to see equipment like this close up and not be, of course, trespassing. There are a few people here walking their dogs and whatever. Not really paying much mind to this machine that's sitting here. But I find these things fascinating. So I'm going to cross over here to the little area that you can go off to. It is unfortunate that the sun is not going to be with me here, but it will be on this side to have a good look at these machines. The Tamper machine and this machine behind it. And here, of course, is the spur line. And kind of neat right up there, a bunch of yurts. These are traditional structures built by Mongolians. So it's kind of interesting in passing by those things. And they're right there. There's like hardly any space between the yurts up there and the track here, which is, and this is used twice a week probably. Anyway, this is just what I wanted to show. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.